Okay, everyone. So now we are going to learn the next program and the program to show first 10 even numbers. Now, even numbers, we know that the numbers which are divisible by 2, just like 0, 2, 4, 6, up to so on, these are the even numbers. Now, we know that how to calculate the even number. So in the earlier program, we have already learned that if any number is divisible by 2, that means if I take the number and that number mod 2, if I take, then the remainder should be equal to 0. So if that number remainder is equal to 0, then that number is the even number. How we can take out the first 10? That means the same task we have to do 10 times. Now, and we know that alternate numbers are the even number, just like 0, then 2, then 4, then 6. So by this we know that if I want the 10 numbers, so at least I have to run the loop from 0 to 20, because on alternate number we are having the even numbers, right? And inside the loop we have to give this statement so that this task should be repeated multiple times. Now we know that the inner bracket, this inner area is for finding the even number. So if know the formula of finding the even number, we will make it at the inner part. So that is the inner part. Now here in the inner part we know that if I, let us suppose that I is some number, mod 2 means the remainder of I with 2 equal to 0, equal is the comparison operator. So if the remainder of I mod 2 is 0, then we are going to print that slash n for the next line. Percentage d means I am printing that number, let us suppose that 2, 4, whatever, is even number, and the value of I will be given to this percentage d. Means if suppose the number 2 is entered, then 2 is even, 4 is even. So this way output will come. So that is the inner body. Now this part I have to do 10 times. So this inner body I will put inside a for loop. So any task you want to perform, let us suppose that you want to perform the prime number 10 times. So you must know that in the inner body there should be the formula of finding the prime number, and in the outer body we will apply the for loop. So that is the outer body. So this outer body is going to run multiple times depending upon the condition you are providing, that is from 0 to 20 and incrementing, and based on the outer condition inner area will work that number of times. So now we are going to check this program, how this program is working. So first of all, hash include stdio.h, which is standard input output header file for printf and scanf functions. Then hash include conio.h, which is for console input output header file, and that is for clear screen and getch functions. Now void main. So main program will start. Inside that we are saying int I. So one variable I is declared. Now clear screen. So screen is cleared. Now here we are coming inside and the value of I is becoming 0 right now. So the value of I is 0. Program is going to check whether I less than equal to 20. So 0 less than equal to 20. True. Because 0 is less than 20. Program will come inside and we know that the inside part, the inner body, is for checking whether that one is even or not. So I mod 2. I mod 2 means if I say 0 divide by 2, so 200 and the remainder is 0. So that remainder is 0 is matching with this 0. So here it will come inside and say percentage d means 0 is even number. So that is displayed that 0 is the even number. In this if part, we have not taken any else part. Because we only want the even number. If I want that odd numbers, then we can also take out the else part and we can say yes, printf, this one is the odd number. But program is asking us only even number. That's why the else part we have not taken. Only we are taking the true part, because we know that if the condition is true, only that part will run. So true part I have taken. Now after executing it, it will go back, incrementing the I. Next time the value of I is 1. Checking the condition, is I less than equal to 20? Means 1 less than equal to 20. True. So 1 less than equal to 20, true. Coming inside, now checking if I mod 2, means if I divide 1 with the 2, 2 0 0 and the remainder is 1. So 1 equal to 0, false. Here the condition is false. That means inner part will not run. So this part will not run. Program will directly come out, and from here it will go back and again incrementing I plus plus. So here 2 will come. Again it will check the condition. 2 less than equal to 20. 2 less than equal to 20, true. Then after that, coming inside, again checking if I mod 2 equal to 0, and we know that if I divide the 2 with 2, 2 ones are 2 and the remainder is 0. So this 0 is matching with this 0, both are matching. So coming down, and percentage D means 2, taking the value from I, is even number. So 2 is even number. Then program will come back I plus plus. Now the value of I is 3 now. Checking the condition, I less than equal to 20, 3 less than equal to 20. True. Coming down again, I mod 2. So 3 divide by 2, 2 ones are 2 and the remainder is 1, and 1 is not equal to 0. So this condition is false. So this part will not run and program will directly come out and going back to the increment. Now here the increment is now 4. So the value of I is 4. Similarly, going to check 4 less than equal to 20, true, and 4 is divisible by 2, correct. So 4 is the even number. Again increment 5, 5 less than 20, true, but here 5 is not divisible by 2. So 5 is not even. Similarly checking for 6, 6 divisible by 2, even number. 7 not divisible. So these numbers which are 1 is not divisible, 3 is not divisible, 5 is not divisible, but yeah, 4 condition they are the true. 7 not divisible. The condition is true for the 7, but it is not the even number. Then similarly the 8 is checked. 8 is less than equal to 20, true, and also it is the even number. Similarly for 9, 9 is less than 20 but not divisible by 2, and 10, 10 is less than 20, also divisible by 2, so 10 is printed as even number. Then 11, 11 less than 20 but not divisible by 2. Then 12, 12 is less than 20, true, and divisible by 2, so 12 is printed. Then 13, 13 less than 20, true, but not divisible by 2. Then 14, 14 less than 20 and also divisible by 2, so 14 is printed. Then 15, 15 is less than 20, true, 15 not divisible by 2. Then 16, 16 is less than 20, true, and 16 is divisible by 2 also, so 16 is the even number, printed. 17, 17 less than 20, true, but not divisible by 2. Then 18, 18 is less than 20, true, and it is divisible by 2, So it is even number. Then 19. 19 is less than 20. True, but not divisible by 2. Then further 20. When 20 will come, so condition will check that 20 less than 20. Here the condition is becoming false. So once the condition is false, program will directly come out to the getch and it will hold the screen and it will display the output on the screen, and we are having the first 10 even numbers on the screen, and here program will come out afterward. So that was the program to show first 10 even numbers. That is very easy program with the help of for loop.